In this lesson, I want to talk about the importance and the application of sharp and flat. Sharp and flat. Many of you are familiar with this, but you hardly use them in chord voicing. But this is very, very important in chord voicing. All right. So the first thing we're going to do to recognize sharp and flat is this. Write out the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In music, this is the actual note we have. All we have is 7 notes. You will see theoretically we have 12 keys here, but in the real sense of we only have 7 keys. The rest are repetitions, and I'll prove that to you. So let's start with the sharp. So we have the sharp 1, the sharp 2, sharp 4, 5, and 6. Then we have the flats. We have the flat 2 and the flat 3. We have flat 5, 6, and the 7. So if you look at this, we have 7 keys, and here we have 5. So when you look at the sharp, 7 plus 5 is what? That's 12. So that is how we come about 12 keys. All right. So if I say that we actually have 7, you will agree with me because these are repetitions of the numbers. So meaning that in music or in keyboard, those black keys have 2 names. So if it's not sharp 1, it is flat 2. Sharp 2 is named as flat 3. Sharp 4 is named as flat 5. Sharp 5 is named as flat 6. And sharp 6 is named as flat 7. If you use alphabets, all right, C sharp is the same thing as D flat. All right. So let's go straight to business, to chord voicing. That is why we are here. So we are picking triad. 1, 3, and the 5. Major triad. So before we can voice anything, let's recognize some chords. So for example, the diminished chord. Diminished chord. So if I pick the 1, so you look at the notes, what note can you flatten or what note can you sharpen? So here we have, so for the 3, we flatten the 3rd and we flatten the 5th. This gives you a diminished note. So remember the flat 3 is same thing as the sharp 2 and the flattened 5 is same thing as sharp 4. So the next chord we'll be looking at is called tritone. Tritone. So if I pick the 1, I'll have the flat 5. So we are omitting the 3, I have the flat 5. Or the sharpened 4. That is your tritone. And the last chord for today is augmented 5th. If I have my 1, the 3, I have what's called the sharpened 5 or the flat 6. So I'll write, because we are dealing with this number, so I'll write sharp 5. Remember, everything we are doing is based on these 3 numbers. So that's why I didn't say flat 6, but I want you to know that sharp 5 is the same thing as flattened 6. All right. So this is how you recognize certain chords. So this is diminished, tritone, augmented. So what I want you to do now is, using the same triad, just write 1, Look at what you can do to your 1. Here we have sharp 1, and just do sharp 1 straight away. You have the 3 and the 5. This is how you come up with more chords. Or pick that one, sharpen or flatten the rest of the notes, and this is how you will develop more chords. All right. If you love what I'm doing, please comment below, share and subscribe. Thank you.